Cause I was on YouTube. Watch TY38.
Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do. I know it's been a while since you seen my face, and I know I look crazy, haven't shaved in a while, nothing like that. Just been one of those months. But we are in the month of January. We didn't work. Oh, give me 1 second.
A few moments later.
We didn't work none last week because of the weather. It was completely covered in snow. I'm gonna add that footage like here now. Show y'all how much snow it was. Down here we got like 10 inches. So I've been in the house since then. Then it rained for 2-3 days. Today supposed to be a high of 60, but then tomorrow supposed to rain again. Then next week the weather going back to winter time. But as of now, we still having issues with the pressure washer. I couldn't find the ring around there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get some of that, you know, the little putty stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and seal that with some putty. Tire still acting up, and if you see how much of the water is dripping down right here, you know what I mean? So, but we're gonna go ahead and take care of that today. We had an extra appointment today that she literally just canceled because she said she wanna wait till the rain go away, and I can totally understand her. But y'all already know, man. We're finna go ahead and get it out here. They go that broke wand we had. Here go my car. I definitely need to clean it, see how dirty it is, things like that. But y'all already know, man. We're gonna go ahead and get out here, have a glorious day, beautiful day. And I hope you've been having a good time. I hope you was able, if you was stuck in the house with the weather, hope you was able to find some things to do, keep your mind occupied. I actually did a lot of editing and BSing and stuff like that. But on that note, I'm gonna continue to be great. We're gonna be great together. If you're new to the channel, man, we only 60 from 900, man. So we literally 160 from 1,000 subscribers. We're on our way. Let's continue to go. Shout out to my man Ivan. I'm not from the channel. He hit 20K subscribers, 20,000 subscribers, man. So we try to get that, man. So on that note, you see the shirts here, alumni. You know, go check us out. I don't know if the website up. Hopefully it'll be back up soon. But like always, if you haven't hit the button, subscribe today. Like, share, whatever, man. And I'm going to catch y'all in a minute. Peace. All right, detail world. Well, we had to stop and get some gas. Definitely was low on gas. You see right now, we're filling up. We over here at Kroger's. Definitely go to the Kroger's gas station because one thing about, you know, going to the grocery store a lot and they give you points. So you can sometimes be having, like, I think the most I ever had off my Kroger card at one point in time was like $1.80 per gallon. Like, that is bananas, but they show you how much I'm shopping at Kroger's. So what you do when you go to Kroger's, they give you a card. You use it every time you buy groceries. You put your card number in and they give you points. But like I said, we sitting here getting some gas. We're about to go ahead and head to the stop. We're probably about 10-15 minutes from there. Y'all already know, man. I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. And appreciate y'all, man. We made it. We're at episode 500. Like I said, 500, big 5-0, man. To let you know we making progress. I remember day one was basically 2 years ago. But to let you know, man, we stay consistent out here. We're very persistent and we're very relentless at what we do over here. Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. And I'm gonna say it once again, man. Hit that subscribe button today. We're only 100 and something away from that 1,000, man. We on the groove. But we done made it to the first stop. Right now we're doing this Range Rover Velour. It's a little dirty. Y'all know it was snow everywhere, so gotta get the little salt off the car. But you see the wheels a little dirty. Interior of the car a little dirty too, so we're gonna get in here and make sure we vacuum it real well, wipe it down, things of that nature. Clean these seats. You can see like she tan, so it's a little dirty on the seats. But we're gonna work on the exterior first, then get to this interior. We got 3 more cars to do for the day. The rest of the cars today should be fairly clean. They owned by people who don't have any kids, just like she don't own any kids. But I'm gonna go ahead and get it cracking. Y'all already know I'm gonna do what I gotta do, so you can do what you gotta do, man. Stay dedicated, man. Make sure you do what it is you need to do, man. We already into the new year. You see what it say, Velar, V-E-L-A-R. I spelled it wrong last time, but I'm gonna go ahead and get it cracking, man, because I'm already pressed for time, and I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We done finally got this first car done. I'm about to head to the next stop. I gotta do an exterior on one car and then an interior, exterior on one car, which won't take long. Then the other car literally about 2 minutes from that house. So that's a good thing. And then after that, we actually done. But y'all already see what the car looked like when we first started. It was pretty dirty. Now the car looks amazing. Got the wheels looking nice. They had the nice little great look from all the heavy salt and stuff like that. Interior of the car came out swell. So y'all already know, man. Like I tell y'all, we take so much pride over here. Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. And I hope you take pride in whatever you got going on in life, man. So remember, stay consistent, stay persistent, stay dedicated to whatever you got going on, man. And like always, man, We catch y'all in a minute. Oh, like I'm gonna say it again, man, because like I said, we on that road to 1,000, man. So hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and you got this far. Peace. Detail World, what it do, what it do, man. We done made it to the second appointment right now. We doing this Ford Bronco. It's this 2-door version. I like this 2-door version, real slick looking. Actually got that classic Bronco look, but if you look, reason we really out here is, you know, a lot of salt debris on cars. So I've been having a lot of people hit me up about this, and that's the best thing about the business, that I will stay busy because of things like this. But I'm about to go ahead and work on this exterior. Also got to do the exterior of this car too, but we're gonna work on this car. We're gonna do the exterior and interior, but just the exterior on that car. But y'all already know what I'm gonna tell y'all, man. Do what you gotta do so I can do what I gotta do, or you do what you gotta do so I can do what I gotta do, man. Hit that subscribe button, man. We on that road to 1,000, and I'm gonna catch y'all up. Peace. Detail World, what it do. Y'all already know what it do, man. We done finished this second car today, which is this Ford Bronco, man. We got the whole car in and out. I noticed he have a little bit of cosmetic problems on the car right there, and there's some on the other side, so I'm definitely gonna relay that to him, so he will know and won't have that accusation that I did it. But he probably already know, you know, he drives this car, this is his vehicle. But we got the interior done too. Really wasn't that bad, like I told y'all. People that don't have kids, that make the cars pretty easy to clean. So you see the video, but you see it said Bronco. It lets you know what car this is. Got the whole car done. Still got one more car to do here, which is that exterior clean on this GX460 Lexus. But y'all already know, man, this is the Outer Banks Ford Bronco edition. They have a Badland edition, they have a sports edition. They got like 2 more editions, I think. But I'm gonna go ahead and pull this one in the garage, start on this Lexus. Still got one more house call to make, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, man. Stay, yeah. Peace. Detail World, what it do, man. We working on this third car today, which is this Lexus. If you can see, we just doing the exterior. The interior is dirty, but they are out of town, but basically out of the United States, and the door is completely locked, so I can't get in there and clean the interior. But the interior definitely need cleaning. But you see the exterior, you see the wheels, man, pretty dirty. All that salt and brine they put on the grind to keep the salt from, to keep the ice, keep people from slipping. Excuse me, y'all. But we're about to go ahead and work on the exterior of the car. That's all we gotta do. And then the next car is literally around the corner from here. Let you know how that go. But I'm gonna go ahead and lock this out. This is a Lexus GX460, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, man. Peace. Detail World, y'all already know, man. We got the car completely done. It was just a basic exterior. We didn't have to do nothing to the interior of the car. This is a Lexus GX460, I think. I said it about twice already. Yeah, GX460. But we got the car done. Next car around the corner. We about to go ahead and take care of that. But y'all already know, man. Do what y'all got to do so we can do what we got to do. This weather's kind of crazy. Last week it was freezing. We had a lot of snow on the ground, things of that nature. Now, next week we got a bunch of 50-degree days, so we're gonna take advantage of those days. Hopefully this is the end of the rain, but like always, man, I'm gonna do what I gotta do. Y'all do what you gotta do, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail World, what it do, man. We finally got this last car done today, which is Toyota 4Runner. We got the whole car in and out. Car looks amazing. They're definitely gonna be enthused with the work like always. Y'all know we take so much pride over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. So when I tell y'all take pride in whatever y'all doing in life, y'all do that, and it will make the job or whatever you're doing much easier. Won't be no stress, no hassle, none of that. But I'm gonna go ahead and load up the van with the van already loaded. Still got that leak. We're gonna fix that this weekend since we're not working tomorrow. But y'all already know, man. Do what you gotta do. I'm gonna do what I gotta do. Hit that subscribe button today. Today is that day. And like always, man, we stay consistent, persistent, relentless out here. So on that note, man, continue to be you. I'm gonna be me. You know, and yeah, man, hit that subscribe button. Y'all already know, one love. Can't love nobody if you don't love yourself. I'm gonna continue pushing that. January is almost over already. Finna be going into February. And y'all check out Truth Lounge TV. And also go follow my new channel around Nashville, just strictly Nashville things. And like always, man, I'm gonna catch y'all at the next one. Peace.
I was on YouTube. Watch TY38.